Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a look at Paragon Bank, found online at paragonbank.co.uk. Let's dive into what they offer and who they might be a good fit for. Paragon Bank operates solely online, meaning they don't have physical branch locations. This digital-first approach allows them to often offer competitive rates and streamlined services. Their focus is primarily on specialized lending and savings products, catering to both individuals and businesses. For individuals, Paragon offers a range of savings accounts, including fixed-rate bonds and easy-access ISAs. These accounts are designed to help you grow your savings securely and potentially achieve higher returns. They also provide specialist mortgages, catering to niche markets such as buy-to-let and professional landlords. On the business side, Paragon offers a range of funding solutions, supporting businesses with their growth and development plans. This includes commercial lending, development finance, and motor finance. Paragon has built a reputation for its expertise in these specialized areas, providing tailored solutions to meet specific client needs. Navigating their website, you'll find a wealth of information about their products and services. They offer clear and concise explanations of the terms and conditions associated with each offering. While operating entirely online might not suit everyone, it allows Paragon to focus on delivering efficient and cost-effective financial solutions. This digital approach can translate into competitive rates and a user-friendly online experience. Before choosing any financial product, remember to carefully review the terms and conditions and consider whether it aligns with your individual circumstances and financial goals. Paragon Bank provides a valuable resource for those seeking specialized savings and lending options. Their online platform offers convenient access to account management and support services. Considering Paragon Bank? Be sure to explore their website thoroughly at paragonbank.co.uk and compare their offerings with other financial institutions to find the best fit for you.